Action!
For a full year's rent and associated expenses.
Akala ko yung mga mahihirap mo lang na kaibigan ang pinagbayad mo dito, pero pati ikaw, heredera ng Rodente, titira dito.
I don't know, may interview pala dito. Ewan. Maybe change of scenery. Ba't ano mong sagot mo?
Reactions lang muna sa direct. Okay, Shanti, reaction. Stand by, Josh. 3, 2, and...
Hello, ma'am.
Change of scenery? O may sinusundan ka dito? Yung ba? Yung bang poging dumaan na?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't worry. You know what? I like you. I think you and I will go along very well. Well, excuse me. Papagawa ko ng visa kotse.
Andy! Halata ba ako?
Ganon.
Halata ba ako?